As Orr's story suggests, people think together best when they have something important in common. The writer says that Orr's story suggests that people think together best when they have common purposes or common thinking. Networking technologies can often be used to create a space for communities of practice, like the photocopier technicians, to think together in their own ways. Networking technologies means the technologies uh, uh, the technologies of a connecting network can often be used to create a space for of practice. Communities of practice means people those who have the same work, like the photocopier technicians, to think together in their own way. In this way, by a network or by connecting to each other, they can think together in their own ways. This is perhaps the most common use of internet. The writer here recommends the use of internet. He says that internet can be best used by the people who have the same purposes, who have the same interests, or who have the same work. Discussion groups organized by people who wish to pool their information and ideas about a topic of shared interest. Internet can be used for discussion groups by people who wish to pool means collect their information and ideas about a topic of shared interest. Shared interest means the interest of all the people who are joined in that group. So internet can be used to organize discussion groups by the people who are interested in collecting the information or in gaining the information, and having the ideas of different people about a topic that is of a common interest for all. At the same time, we should not consider the internet in isolation. We should not think internet with one thought. Regardless of whether they are located in same geographic region or distributed around the world, a community's members will typically think together using several media such as the telephone, electronic mail, printed publications, and face to face meetings. And the internet is best conceived as simply one component of this larger ecology of media. Regardless of whether it is no matter to which place they are located, regardless of whether they are located in the same geographic region or distributed means different place around the world, it is of no matter where they are situated, where the people are located in the same place or in the world. A community's members will typically think together using they can communities means the people who have the same interests or purposes. They will typically think together using several media. They can connect together, they can think together using several media such as telephone, electronic mail, email, printed publications, and face to face meetings. And the internet is best conceived, it is best used as simply one component of this larger ecology of media. Internet is the connecting device or connecting technology It is best used when it is used as a component of this larger ecology means medium of media. There are several mediums of media, but internet is the main thing. It is the connecting thing to all the mediums of media. So it can be best used when it is used as a component of the larger mediums of media. And we can see that internet is best used at this present critical time of corona, when we are having the online classes, and we can see or learn from others. We can see to the others, we can learn from others by the Google classrooms, or we can connect to other people through other connecting devices, through WhatsApp or video call. We can connect to other people. So internet is a best thing that is used to connect people.